I am Clifford from airbuilding.com. When you arrive in Spain, I will send you a pin to where our airfield is. When you follow the pin on one of the driving apps, you'll end up at this gate with this sign. So you go through the gate, turn left, follow the road to the hangars. You'll then come across my blue Passat and you park next to the Passat. This is how you get to our hangar.
Let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on